Salam ako.
We're taking video using phone kasi naiwan namin yung cam dun sa accommodation. Naka-tour kami right now and nandito na kami sa van.
Sabay. Kasama ang ating mga
Very
friends.
zoomed in yung mukha.
Yung
Or ayan, ang video namin for today will be taken using his iPhone. Right now, ang tour na binook namin sa Klook ay Kuala Lumpur City Tour with 21 attractions. I believe this is for 1,100 or
Per box.
1,600 per box. I can't remember very well, pero ayun. See you guys.
Almost 35 million. Okay, almost 35 million. Kuala Lumpur City, just 2 millions only. Kuala Lumpur is a capital and federal state of Malaysia. Okay, capital and federal state of Malaysia. There's a two type of federal states. Selamat pagi. Thank you means terima kasih. If I tell terima kasih, you guys have to tell sama-sama.
sama-sama.
Sama-sama means same to you or welcome. That's a meaning of sama-sama. Just a simple word of Malaysia. Our tour from
Terima kasih.
Batu Cave.
Mga
Okay, from Batu Cave.
learning.
Batu Cave is like 15 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur city center, border of Kuala Lumpur, located in the state of Selangor. It takes roughly 20 to 30 minutes, depends on the traffic. The overall area we call Batu Caves. Batu means rock. Okay, the overall area we call rock cave. Batu Cave is one of the famous Indian temple and tourism spot in Malaysia. Not only the famous temple, it's a natural limestone cave. Okay, the research saying that almost 400 million years old age of the cave when they found
Limestone
in
cave.
1890.
Yan.
Yan.
So when you climb to the top, sometimes there's a lot of monkeys. If can, please avoid bring plastic bags or food items. Okay, don't carry any plastic bags or food items.
Hi guys! We're now here in
Batu Cave.
So, I'm wearing jacket. Naka-sleeveless kasi ako and bawal sleeveless doon dahil may temple. And yung palda ko naman ay under the knee. So, so pwede siya. Pwede magpalda basta lagpas tuyo.
Dito kami sa Batu Cave. Good Morgan. So, saan tayo? Akin
Kahit na at least dun, no? Hindi na
Mali.
mainit.
Oo nga. Akit kami ng Batu Cave.
Lang pala yan.
Hanggang dun sa taas.
How many steps ang Batu Cave?
I have no idea.
Bibilang.
Bibilangin. I think ito yung paakyat. Pababa ito na sa pangatlo.
170 plus daw yan.
Ha?
270?
270?
270 steps?
275 daw.
275 steps? Okay. Ito ang itsura namin bago umakyat ng Batu
Here's
Cave.
us before going up.
Wala ang taas. Okay.
1, 2.
Ah, ingat. Okay. Ayun na, ingat. This is us 45 steps, up some steps. Nasaan na yung kapit? Gusto na agad ako.
Can we rest?
Yan. Ang taas na agad. Picture. Ngayon pa kataas ang amin nila sa akin.
85 na yun.
Parang 85, 100.
Pawis na agad si Will. May bakas na agad ang...
Ay, oh my God!
You said, I'm not doing this.
Hindi ko na yung nakakapag.
Or naka-cross out.
Nag-stock up. Ang galing ni Bate.
Okay pa ba kayo guys?
Not
85 pa lang yun.
190 pa. Ay, ay.
Hindi na tayo guys. Ay, may unggoy. May mga unggoy oh. Unggoy oh. Baby. Ito, likod. Sorry. 70, next. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Yan natin ang taas. Doon, konti na ang taas.
Ano to yun?
Oo, ang taas na. Isa yung taas. Yung... Yung pag... 100 steps. 103? Pero konti na lang. Nasa taas.
Around 70 na lang.
Taas. Ano po dito tayo sa baba oh? Ano sa rin?
Okay, help him.
Kukunin niyo yung anong pagkain ng ano?
Ay,
Kukunin niyo yung pagkain ng lalaki. Ay, wala.
wala naman eh.
Sila yung nag-aaway. Yung mga unggoy nag-aaway. Yung bilang? 20. 220. Ay, sakto na sila. Tapos na. 74 lahat. 74? Hindi na kami sa agwa.
Yung 20 ko is nag-crack.
Ako.
Ay, ewan ko.
Tapos na 270. Plus or minus 10.
Tumirik ko.
Mag-edit tayo ng before and after.
No.
Fresh umak bago umakyat. Pawis na pawis.
Oh my God, natuloy yung practice ko.
Hindi pa tayo athletic enough.
Eh, picture tayo. Si Rainbow, makit pa?
Do, konti na lang.
Sada nasa taas na kami. Tara, kids. Congrats!
Thank you.
Meron silang stalls?
Papa ng Pilipinas.
Souvenirs.
Ay, ito souvenirs.
We can check later.
Pabalik.
More magnets.
More magnets. Uy, ang ganda.
Akala ko dito.
Look yung Bato Caves, oh. Ang daming Indian gods. Itong may shops. Sabi, may picture. May binigay picture. Tapos, ayun, ano to yung temple?
There's
Ay, hindi.
another set of stairs there.
Pero, dito naman tayo.
We no longer go.
Ito. Ano to eh? Ano ba? Ito. Okay. Tapos ang ganda na naman ng caves, oh. Ang sarap. Look at the cave. Okay ka pa ba dyan? Dito para kita yung so ganito ang setup
Dito
namin
ba
kapag
house or
mag-picture. Naka-tripod kami. But from Singapore.
Malapit or lalagay tayo.
Or dito kaya tayo.
Magkano din?
Penitensya. Ay, nakatusok ba sa kanila yung mga ano?
Oo.
Uy, hindi na Next siya katulad sa penitensya na ano na. Yung break dance na. So ayun, akit ata sila. Akit ba sila? Or dyan lang?
Ito lang.
Oh, that's nice. Magkano siya? One piece.
अभी करिए ना ये देखें इन दोनों में से ये बहुत क्लियर लग रहा है बट
Look ko, ang daming ano. Buddhism. Ito si... Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda na naman ito kagawa. Kain.
I wanna go to India.
India?
But my mom won't let me. And Matt doesn't want to go.
Gusto naman, pero dun sa ano? Basta ang likod. Pababa na kami.
Pwede ba tumulong?
Wala bang escalator?
I think
Mas bearable ang pababa. Kasi nablot ng unggoy itong phone ko, no? Hanggang 25. Kimchar. Nasa ban na ulit kami.
Oo, all over the heat pala yung
Pagod.
Okay, I hope you guys had a good time in Bato Cave.
Nandito kami sa... Ano na yun?
batik.
Batik.
This is a piece of free hand-drawn batik. Usually, the artist will start with a white piece of material, either silk, cotton or mixed. And this is a pure silk material. Firstly, the artist will use this instrument one called Chanting, ending with the hot paraffin wax, and using their own imagination to draw out design freely by hand. The purpose of paraffin wax is to separate the colors. The one cause the start of white material. Freehand of art is very exclusive because every piece comes from artist's imagination, colors and design same on two sides.
Oh, it's nice.
So can remove without frame, can wash, can iron, can take photos. Okay, this one I find a product hand drawn silk scarf, can see colors and design same on two sides. Then I show you simple top. You make triangle, tie a knot. Then you can see simple top for beach. Another one is a flower. Take this, put through, and this, turn twice, then slowly shape. We can give you instruction together. It's a flower. For here, and you can do the bikini. You can do a dress. See the dress. Then another one skirt. Thank you. Here's a credit card. Yes, $20. Thank you.
The green.
Nasasalo pala siya ngayon.
Ha?
Nasasalo siya ngayon.
Oh, so hindi sila lagpas. Cool. Oh, ang galing naman nun.
Hindi siya makakula yan. Yung guhit na ginuguhit niya ate doon.
Para sa akin itong lagpas-lagpas magkulay.
Here,
Sa...
National Palace of Malaysia.
Tada! Kakaalis lang ng mga Royal Guards. Andun sila oh. Kita ba? Hindi na pala. Pero kakaalis lang nila doon. Tapos ang init. Wow. Tipid.
Tiramisu white chocolate. Our best selling chocolate. Tiramisu white chocolate. Sorry, inside not allowed picture, not allowed.
Okay.
Our next stop is
Tianpo Temple. Tianpo Temple. Yung correct spelling ipapasa na namin sa screen. Wow.
Yung correct spelling as a screen. Yung pronunciation, let us know in the comments.
Ay, tanghulo. Saan daming food and drink. Tapos, andyan yung temple. Kakatapos lang nila ng Lunar New Year celebration. Yan naman lang itong mga banderitas. Ang dami yung ganyan. Doon kami galing. Nandiyan ang aming van / bus.
Creativity and shared spirit shape a vibrant city. Kuala Lumpur's global.
Nasa ano tayo?
Petronas Twin Tower.
Nasa... Tara! Ay, Hindi abot! Tapos na yung tour namin.
Dito kami binaba sa Petronas.
Petronas. Ang tour namin ay for the whole day. Simula.
9:45 to 7 p.m. Guys, ay 6:30. 6:30 na pero wala pang dilim.
Kaya, liwanag pa rin.